Connecting your PS5 to your TV for Xumo access is simple using an HDMI cable. The PS5's HDMI 2.1 port supports up to 4K resolution at 120 Hz. Use a high-speed HDMI cable, preferably HDMI 2.1 certified, for optimal performance. To access Xumo, open the PS5's web browser under the Media tab. Go to xumo.tv and log in with your Comcast account for free content. Although a direct Xumo app for PS5 doesn't exist, browser streaming works well on 4K TVs. For gaming, enable HDMI device link in PS5 settings for automatic input detection. To optimize your PS5 for gaming and streaming, start with your TV settings. In your PS5 display settings, turn on HDR and VRR for better visuals and smoother gameplay. Aim for input lag under 10 milliseconds using HDMI 2.1 compatibility. When streaming Xumo, match your TV's native resolution to the content. Use the DualSense controller or media remote for navigation. If your TV has a native Xumo app, use that instead of the PS5 browser for better performance.